My name is Mahi Hulke. I am from Sonikar College of Pharmacy. I am currently studying in B.Pharm 4th year. My topic for elocution competition is Touch DNAs, revolutionizing the evidentiary DNA forensics. Today, I am excited to discuss the transformative innovation in the forensic science, that is Touch DNA. This remarkable technique is revolutionizing how we gather and analyze the evidentiary DNA, enhancing our ability to solve the crimes and deliver the justice. To begin, let's clarify what touch DNA is. Unlike the traditional DNA samples, which requires the significant biological materials like blood and the saliva, touch DNA involves the collection of the sample from the skin cells left behind whenever the person comes into the contact of an object. This can occur in the various situations, right from touching a doorknob to brushing against a piece of furniture. The potential applications of the touch DNAs are really vast. Imagine a crime scene where no obvious biological samples are present. Previously, such cases could stall the investigation. However, with the touch DNAs, the forensic scientist can now recover the DNA profiles from the surfaces that were once deemed unyielding. This advancement allows the law enforcement to connect the suspect to the crime scenes in the ways that were not possible before. The significant benefit of the touch DNA technique is its ability to link the individual to the crime scene. For example, if the suspect's DNA is found on a weapon or the victim's belonging, it provides a compelling evidence on their involvement or for their involvement. Looking forward, as we embrace this powerful tool, we must also navigate the complexities like first, challenges the risk of the contamination. Given that DNA can easily transfer from one surface to the another surface. This is really crucial for the forensic teams to follow the strict protocol. Ethics plays a very vital roles in DNA and the forensics, I would say. This is because the collection of the DNA every day questions about the consent as well as in the privacy. Looking forward, the future of the touch DNAs in the forensic is really promising. Continued advancement in the technology enhances the ability to just convert these minute samples into the evidence with precision and accuracy. In summary, touch DNA is the game changer in the evidentiary DNA forensics. While we must remain vigilant to the challenges and the ethical consideration, we must embrace these innovation responsibly, ensuring the justice is being served while respecting the right of individual. The evolution of the forensic science is the journey, and the touch DNA is the milestone of that journey. Thank you so much.